Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we have a special guest. Mom is here with us and we got a special delivery in the mail. So for the past 10 years, my friend Sam and I have been doing a silly Christmas Hanukkah gift exchange. I send her mildly offensive Hanukkah gifts and she always sends me something nice. And this year's is a goodie box from the Capital Candy Jar. She's now living in DC, and we just always, it's just been again a fun tradition that we've kept going for the past 10 years, and it's just nice to have something silly that you do with your friends. So look forward to it every year. And this is, she said, a nice note, and then hope you enjoy this selection of holiday treats from this DC based candy company. She's been in DC now for 3 years. So she is an environmental, oh my God, she tells me every time she works for the environment. She works saving the environment and making sure that people are recycling and doing good. And she said that, yeah, it's her dream job. She just basically yells at people and tells them to do better for the planet. So very fitting. But this thing is heavy and it is filled to the top. And there's a box of peppermint bark. And the second you open the box, all you smell is the peppermint. So we're going to taste all the little goodies here and rank them and see. Should we start with the peppermint or wait for the end? Because then everything is going to taste like peppermint. Okay, so do we want to go in blindly or pull out everything one by one?
Just grab one and let's...
Okay, I'm going to put my glasses on because even though there's a lot of glare, I cannot see. It smells very good. And I'm not even a big peppermint person, but that smells nice. So we'll start with this. This is easy. These are some little holiday gummy bears. And I love gummies. And it has a little bow at the top. And I got some scissors here. I came ready. But they smell very good. So they are just the little traditional bears, and we have red, green, and white. Which one are you eating first?
I got the green.
The green?
Very lemon.
That's green apple.
Mmm.
That is strong green apple taste.
It's good.
That is very good. I can probably hear Maria yelling at the dogs. That was very good. Green apple. Which one next? I don't know. You choose.
Red.
Okay. You got cherry? Red gummy candies are usually my favorite, but I think I like the green one best. Right?
Yeah, I like this. Cherry.
Cherry. And then, and it says there's a little A on them. I wonder if they all had letters.
Oh, yeah. Probably. We just
no, they all have an A. Okay. Cheers. I want one.
Cheers, bye.
What is that?
I think it should be vanilla. Right. I don't know, but it's making my jaws kind of
sour. I don't know what that was, but it was very good.
It was, but all of them my jaws was like,
I like that. I love gummies, so this is going to be, this is definitely going to be up there. Yeah. So next we have some dark chocolate covered pecans. And down in Texas here, we love our pecans. And these things are massive. Look at that. And they're dark chocolate. I'm not a huge dark chocolate fan, but let's try it.
You can smell the chocolate.
That's good.
Usually dark chocolate is bitter. This isn't that bitter.
It's very good. And these are full-size packages of everything in here. So it's a really nice sampling. Okay. Dark chocolate pecans. There's so much to choose from. Let's do these. These are chocolate covered Oreos, and I love Oreos. How cute is that one with the little holly on the top?
Let's just split one. So
okay. Yeah. Okay. I'm just going to take a bite. That minty. It tastes like a Thin Mint. right?
Mm.
It tastes like a Thin Mint. It's good. It's covered Oreo, but it tastes like a Thin Mint.
That's good.
Has a lot of chocolate on it too, and the chocolate is good. Yeah, sometimes like chocolate is kind of like nasty. What was that? And I'm telling you, there is so much in this box. Okay. And because it's Sam, it also came with those cornstarch. These are dissolvable. They're biodegradable. It's made
Really?
of cornstarch. Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Okay.
Way to go, Sam.
Mm-hmm. These are dark chocolate pretzel rods. Again, not super dark chocolate pretzel, but I do like dark chocolate with salt because it like it balances it out, you know. Here. Dark chocolate pretzel.
I'm a big fan of
Dark chocolate
pretzels.
pretzels? Really? I love chocolate covered pretzels. They're my favorite. And then there's so much chocolate in here. I'm amazed it didn't melt. Okay. Oh, just
Didn't need to
kidding.
be 90
One of them
degrees
did melt.
recently.
So this is a giant milk chocolate peanut butter cup, and as you can see, it's again 80 degrees in Texas, so it has melted a little bit. But you like peanut butter cups? You like peanut butter. You can't have it.
Go away.
I should have cut it open from the part that it was melted to. This thing is massive. Can't even get it out.
I'm not a huge fan of your brother.
Oh yeah, my brother is the one that loves Reese's. Money, I like them a lot too. So it kind of got a little bit destroyed
looks like
here.
it's got something crunchy, or was it
Maybe
like
it was
a
crunchy peanut butter?
picture?
I don't know. Take it back.
Can you tell? Cause not the bottom part is very thick.
Did you get any of the peanut butter flavors?
Yes. I stuck to my teeth.
Oh my god, that is thick chocolate. Look at that. That whole mound of chocolate. That's a cool big of a bite.
The peanut butter stuck to my teeth. It's a peanut butter cup with a very good thick chocolate.
But you know what? I like that better because I feel like the Reese's ones, it's always so sweet, right?
This one was, I think it's just the quality of the chocolate too.
The Reese's always has that gross like aftertaste. Like I feel like even the peanut butter, there's so much sugar in it, but I think that was like pure peanut butter. But now I got a giant piece of chocolate.
Could enjoy and eat.
Not the whole thing, but a bite like this is good. Oh my god, this is gonna be this. Oh my stomach already hurts from all this candy. This is a milk chocolate caramel cloud.
Ooh.
And again, look at the size of these things. Oh, it feels like it's a marshmallow.
Oh, probably is.
I know. Thank God we're almost finished. This is so much. I'm gonna send it to her, and she's gonna be like, you know, you guys could have not eaten it all today, right? We just sampled it all because it was gonna melt. Take the
I think
first
we're gonna
bite.
put it in the fridge after this.
Yeah.
Okay, let me know that.
It's a marshmallow.
Marshmallow and caramel.
Oh, show the camera. That's why it's so puffy. Oh, that's where the cloud comes from. What are those candies? The Mr.
Like the Milky Ways, it just doesn't have the nougat? Or, I
Yeah,
don't know,
you
what
get
is the Milky Way
marshmallow.
has?
Milky Way is nougat.
Oh, it's good. I like that one. Because I like the caramel.
Because the caramel is salty.
It's good.
It's interesting with the marshmallow, but I like the caramel a lot. I kind of wish there was more caramel in it.
Maybe a little bit of nuts. We'll just change the whole candy, won't you?
But the caramel is so good because it's salty.
And the marshmallow's not that bad because it's not as sweet.
Because it's like a real marshmallow. It has that thickness to it. And again, so much chocolate. The chocolate is stuck in my teeth. And it's really good chocolate. Okay, so the last two things we have, right, are the peppermint bark, and we've got some Christmas mix candied popcorn. What do you want to do first?
Popcorn.
Okay. And I will be honest, I did try this the other day because
Right now.
I wanted something sweet and peppermint and pecans. But we love popcorn, so this is perfect.
Somebody else loves popcorn.
Yeah, the dogs are eyeing us. Which one are you going to do first? Wait, okay.
Is it like a vanilla?
Mm-hmm. See, but the other flavors, you know, like when you get those school popcorns, like the Deanne's, like the vanilla, you can smell the vanilla right away. And you can't smell the vanilla on these. Like it smells like different flavors. Do green?
Green?
Like that tastes like Fruit Loops.
Mm-hmm. The green is sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Like you can taste the sugar or something.
It really tastes like
Syrup.
Fruit Loops. I'm kind of taste the same. Oh, flavors: cherry, green apple, and vanilla.
The green doesn't taste like green apple.
It didn't taste like green apple.
It does taste like cherry.
I thought it tasted like Fruit Loops.
Mm.
I mean,
I could.
I could eat this all in one sitting. I love candied popcorn.
Not complaining. We're not.
And then peppermint bark. Here, I have some scissors. God, it's sealed, and it's so strong of a smell. My 10-year college reunion is in June. Oh wow, that is beautiful.
Oh my God, look at how beautiful this looks.
That's really pretty. My 10-year college reunion is in
God,
June.
it just smells amazing.
And we're thinking about going because my brother lives in Pennsylvania now. We could, and we could make it like a week-long trip and go all these different places. It smells like an Andes mint.
Ooh, yeah, I love those.
Because I think it's dark chocolate.
It's soft.
I always thought peppermint bark was hard.
Me too. It's, whatever that is, the white part.
Is that white chocolate? That's good.
Interesting. Let's drink it.
This is probably like all I could eat of it, but
One sitting.
it's very good.
And that was 8 ounces, and that's a lot. It was a lot for just 8 ounces.
Sam, thank
Thank
you.
you,
We loved
Sam.
all of it. Okay, now let's rank. What would you say is your favorite?
Well, my least favorite is the pretzels because I'm not a pretzel fan. But the pecans, followed by the marshmallow.
I'm surprised. Because you don't really like marshmallow.
And then maybe the
Peanut butter cup.
peanut butter cup,
I think if Reese's peanut butter cups tasted like that, I would like Reese's more.
followed by this. I really like the peppermint bark too. So it would come in between these guys. In the bottom would be the Oreos and the pretzels. Not that I didn't like them, but I'm not a huge fan of. I like Oreos, but I don't
Yeah,
like
if you went to the
chocolate
store, you wouldn't gravitate towards those.
covered. But everything was delicious. Diabetic nightmare, but it is
But
a
a great
delicious one.
Christmas surprise.
Yes.
Yes. And I'm going to send her this video so she can see.
She's
People
not gonna
don't
drink
know
water.
that I have a YouTube channel. This is a secret that I try to keep from everybody. So this will be me. Hey, Sam, I have a YouTube channel. I've got 60 people like to pay attention to what I say.
Oh my God, 60 people.
Okay. And that's not including my mom because she doesn't subscribe to me. So
Yes, I do.
Are you?
Yes.
I have to show her the videos because she doesn't see them otherwise. But Sam, we're sending out your package this week, and I really hope you enjoy it because it's filled with a lot of Texas goodies. So thank you for this little bit of DC. We really enjoyed it. It's going to be a lot of fun to pick at in these next couple of weeks. And I hope that it's been like 10 years since we've seen each other, but hopefully our paths will cross soon. Maybe
At the
in
reunion.
June. Yeah.
Mhm.
Maybe.
Maybe.
But thanks you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.